Guys, look at that. We're talking about smoked barbecue shotgun shells today. Woo! Let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to No Coffee Needed. I'm Chad, right here in the heart of Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and we are so glad that you're joining us today. And we got a treat in store for you. We're gonna do smoked shotgun shells. That's right, smoked barbecue shotgun shells on the pellet grill, and you are going to be amazed at how great these things are. And before we get started, if you hadn't already, guys, I would really appreciate it if you would go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that little bell so you won't miss out on anything we've got coming to you from right here at No Coffee Needed. And if you would, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, make some comments down below. If you try these recipes, hey, let us know how it turns out. If you've got something you want us to try, put it down in the comments below. We'll be happy to give it a try and give you a big shout out. Absolutely, we would love to do that. But guys, we are gonna do our shotgun shells a little bit differently. I know that you've seen a lot of people do shotgun shells here on YouTube, but we're gonna do ours just a little bit different. So I just wanna go over our list of ingredients right quick. You don't have to worry about writing this down. We're gonna put it all in the description down below. But first off, we got Manicoti noodles right here. We're gonna use some Jimmy Dean hot sausage. We've got 2 packs of bacon, just regular cut bacon. We've got a 8-ounce thing of cream cheese, and we have got 8 ounces of sharp cheddar. What we're gonna do, and then we've got our No Coffee Needed barbecue rub, our butt rub seasoning right there, and naturally the No Coffee Needed original, Big Daddy's original barbecue sauce. So that's all of the things that we will be using. Guys, let me go ahead and get this unpacked right quick. We'll start putting this together and show you how it's done. So don't go anywhere, just hang around for a minute, okay? All right guys, we got all of that unpacked, ready to go. So what we wanna do is we wanna go ahead and put our sausage, kind of mash it out, put it up in there just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and put our cheese in there. Both kinds, our sharp cheddar and our cream cheese. Then we wanna take your favorite barbecue rub, whatever you've got, whatever you wanna do. Now we're using hot sausage, we're not gonna use a great deal of this, but just kind of whatever you think your taste might be for that. So you can see, I don't know how much we put in there, maybe 2 tablespoons of butt rub seasoning. We're just gonna take this and just get down and dirty with this with our hands. I'm just gonna mix this up really, really well. All right guys, we got that mixture mixed up really, really well. We've got our Manicoti noodles right here. We put our barbecue sauce in this container right here because we're gonna baste this bacon. We got 2 strips of bacon laid out here. It's gonna take about 2 pieces of bacon per shotgun shell. What we wanna do first is we wanna go ahead and take and baste this bacon with a little bit of your favorite barbecue sauce. We're using No Coffee Needed's Big Daddy's original barbecue sauce right there. Then we're gonna take our Manicoti noodle and you can do this a number of ways. You can take it and stuff it like that, or you can take it and just push this down into your mixture to fill that up. But like I said before, I know you've probably seen a lot of people take it and put their sausage in here about a third or almost half the way up. And then they'll take it and flip it over, drop some cheese in there, and then stuff the other half with sausage and leave that cheese in the center. Ours, what we've done is we've taken and mixed all of our cheese with the sausage, and then we're just gonna wrap it with bacon. It's a little bit different than what most people do, but you get that cheese all the way through and not just in the center. And people will say, oh, it melts, it'll fall out. Not really. If you use the directions and then look down in the description for our recipe, you'll see it does absolutely wonderful. You'll see at the end of this how well this works. So anyway, we've got that stuff. Almost all the way. Now this takes a few minutes, and it's no big deal, but I'm telling you it's well worth it. So anyway, we've got it like that. What we want to do is take our first piece of bacon, and we're going to just kind of stretch this out as we wrap it. And the reason we stretch it just a little bit, that way it gets good and crisp. So the more you stretch that, the crispier it'll get. You can see that right there. Looking absolutely magnificent. We tuck that bacon just over the ends just a little bit. That's the way you want it to look. Then we take our barbecue rub. We're going to sprinkle it over just a little bit. Again, you want to do that 14 times. So what we'll do is we'll finish up getting this together, get all 14 of these stuffed, wrapped, and get them on the pellet grill. All right, guys, don't go anywhere. We're going to set them on there in just a few minutes. Hang tight. Hey guys, these shotgun shells been on here 2.5 hours, 250 degrees. Woo! They smell amazing. Check that out. Woo! Guys, we gotta get inside, give these things a quick taste test. You're not gonna believe it. They are gonna be unbelievable. Let's get inside. All right, guys, we have got this shotgun shell right here. Smells amazing. If you want to, you can put a little bit more barbecue sauce on there if you want, but we got it just the way we want it. Let's just cut into this thing. Man, look, can you see all that cheese that's in there, that sausage? Oh, man. I'll tell you guys, let's recap what we did. We took our Manicoti shells, we set those out. We took 2 pounds of sausage, 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese. We took 8 ounces of soft cream cheese, put all that in a bowl, mixed it together. We put 2 tablespoons of your favorite barbecue rub in there, got it all mixed up, stuffed that sausage mixture into those noodles. Then once we got those Manicoti noodles stuffed, we took 2 pieces of bacon, coated it with our favorite barbecue sauce, wrapped those noodles up just like that, went and put them on the pit boss or smoker for 2.5 hours at 250 degrees, and we stretched that bacon as we wrapped it so that it would get nice and crisp. And guys, that is it. Those noodles are perfectly, just the tenderness is absolutely perfect. That sausage is just, man, the cheese, the bacon, everything in it. I can't wait, I can't talk, my mouth is watering so much. Let's give these a try. Oh man. Those are fantastic. You gotta try these, guys. Those would be an absolutely perfect game day food, party food, just to get together. Man, I'm telling you, it is amazing. Take a little barbecue sauce for dipping or coat it with a little bit more barbecue sauce. Maybe some ranch would be good with it. Whatever your favorite dipping sauce is, just give that a try. You know, we can't go without Bo getting a taste. Come here, buddy. You gotta tell everybody, hey, come on. Let's see what he thinks. How is it? Boy, we got a double tongue licking that time. He loves it. Bo absolutely loves it. You will too, guys. Thanks again for watching No Coffee Needed. If you hadn't, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and ring that little bell. Make some comments down below. Don't forget the total recipe will be in the descriptions. Guys, we love you. May God bless you. Until next time, now you're cooking No Coffee Needed style.